As hunting season approaches, the demand for high-performance rifles surges, with certain models flying off shelves due to their reliability, accuracy, and innovative features. In 2025, the U.S. firearms market showcases a blend of classic designs and cutting-edge technology, catering to hunters of all experience levels. From budget-friendly bolt actions to premium lever guns, the fastest-selling hunting rifles reflect what American hunters value most: versatility, durability, and precision. Based on recent sales trends and industry insights, here are the top 5 fastest-selling hunting rifles in the United States for 2025. So let's jump right in the video. Number 5. Christensen Arms Ridgeline FFT. The Christensen Arms Ridgeline FFT is a top choice for hunters seeking a lightweight, high-performance rifle. Weighing around 5.8 pounds, its foam-filled carbon fiber stock and carbon-wrapped barrel reduce weight without sacrificing strength. Available in calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and 7mm PRC, it offers excellent accuracy with a sub-MOA guarantee. The fluted bolt and adjustable TriggerTech trigger ensure smooth operation and crisp pulls. Its modern design, including Cerakoted metal, resists harsh weather, making it ideal for mountain hunts. The FFT, flash-forged technology, components enhance durability while keeping the rifle pack-friendly. However, its premium price, starting at $2,049, may deter budget-conscious buyers. Some users report inconsistent manufacturing quality, with occasional lemons affecting reliability. The 24-inch barrel can feel long for suppressor use, and the lightweight build increases felt recoil in larger calibers. Despite these drawbacks, its blend of portability and precision makes it a fast seller in 2025. Pros: lightweight, accurate, durable carbon fiber components, smooth trigger. Cons: high price, potential quality inconsistencies, increased recoil, long barrel for suppressors. Number 4. Weatherby Markbath Backcountry 2.0. The Weatherby Markbath Backcountry 2.0 is a favorite for hunters prioritizing lightweight design and long-range performance. At just 5.2 pounds with a titanium receiver and carbon fiber barrel, it's perfect for backcountry treks. Chambered in calibers like 6.5 W/by RPM and .300 W/by mag, it delivers high velocity and sub-MOA accuracy with premium ammo. The 6-lug action provides a short bolt throw for fast cycling, and the TriggerTech trigger offers a clean break. Its carbon fiber stock enhances rigidity, while the Cerakote finish protects against corrosion. The 24-inch barrel, available in fluted or carbon-wrapped options, boosts velocity for distant shots. However, its high MSRP, around $2,500, may not suit all budgets. Some configurations lack a threaded barrel, limiting suppressor compatibility. The rifle's preference for Weatherby's proprietary cartridges can make ammo harder to find. Lightweight increases recoil, especially in magnum calibers. Still, its accuracy and lightweight build drive its popularity in 2025. Pros: ultralight, accurate, fast bolt cycling, weather-resistant. Cons: expensive, limited threaded barrel options, proprietary ammo, higher recoil. Number 3. Savage 110 Ultralight. The Savage 110. Ultralight is a top pick for hunters wanting a lightweight rifle with premium features at a reasonable price. Weighing about 6 pounds, it features a Proof Research carbon fiber wrapped barrel and a skeletonized receiver for reduced weight. Available in calibers like .308 Winchester and 6.5 PRC, it offers solid accuracy with a sub-MOA guarantee using quality ammo. The adjustable AccuTrigger ensures a crisp pull, while the AccuFit stock allows customization for length of pull and comb height. Its threaded muzzle supports suppressors or brakes, enhancing versatility. The fluted bolt improves cycling, though not as smooth as competitors. Priced around $1,649, it's a great value for its features. However, the stock feels plastic-like, reducing perceived quality. Some users report unreliable feeding with certain ammo, and the magazine well is flimsy. The lightweight design amplifies recoil in larger calibers, which may affect comfort during extended shooting. Its balance of affordability and performance makes it a fast seller in 2025. Pros: lightweight, adjustable stock and trigger, affordable, suppressor-ready. Cons: cheap-feeling stock, feeding issues, flimsy magazine, increased recoil. Number 2. Tikka T3X Lite. The Tikka T3X Lite is a highly sought-after rifle for its reliability, accuracy, and budget-friendly price. Weighing around 6.5 pounds, it's light enough for long hunts, yet robust for various conditions. Chambered in calibers like .270 Win and .300 Win Mag, it delivers sub-MOA accuracy with a cold hammer-forged barrel. The two-lug bolt with a 75-degree lift is exceptionally smooth, rivaling custom rifles. Its single-stage trigger is adjustable for a crisp pull, and the polymer stock offers good grip texturing. The detachable magazine feeds flawlessly, even with gloves. Priced around $750 to $900, it's a steal for its quality. However, the stock feels hollow, producing a ringing sound when tapped. Most models lack a threaded barrel, limiting suppressor use. The blued finish on some versions is prone to rust, requiring regular maintenance. Recoil is noticeable due to its lightweight, especially in magnum calibers. Its cult-like following and performance drive its rapid sales in 2025. Pros: affordable, accurate, smooth bolt, reliable feeding. Cons: hollow stock, no threaded barrel, rust-prone finish, noticeable recoil. Number 1. Browning X-Bolt Pro Long Range. The Browning X-Bolt Pro Long Range tops our list as the fastest-selling hunting rifle in 2025, thanks to its unmatched accuracy and premium features. Weighing around 6.2 pounds, it balances portability with stability. Chambered in calibers like 6.5 PRC and 300 Win Mag, it consistently shoots sub-MOA groups, aided by a preferred barrels tube. The 60-degree bolt throw ensures fast, smooth cycling, and the adjustable DLX trigger offers a clean break. Its carbon fiber stock, filled with foam, reduces weight and noise, while the Cerakote finish resists wear. The fluted barrel and bolt shave ounces, and the threaded muzzle support suppressors. Priced around $2,000, it's a premium option, but delivers custom rifle performance. However, its high cost may be a barrier for some. The lightweight design increases felt recoil in larger calibers. Some users find the rotary magazine less intuitive than standard designs. The stock's adjustability is limited compared to competitors. Its exceptional accuracy and handling make it a top choice for hunters in 2025. Pros: highly accurate, smooth action, lightweight, durable finish. Cons: expensive, increased recoil, less intuitive magazine, limited stock adjustability. Thanks for watching. Which rifle is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hunting gear reviews.